Hi traders, in this video we are looking at the total power indicator for MT4. This oscillator combines bear power and bull power calculations to provide continuous lines showing the relative strength of buyers versus sellers over a defined period. In this video, you will see how the indicator works, how signals are interpreted, and which trading strategies are described. The total power indicator is a versatile and dynamic technical analysis tool based on two standard indicators, bear power and bull power, that assesses market trends, momentum, and the balance between buying and selling pressure. It calculates how many bullish and bearish bars occur during a given lookback period and then calculates the proportional index for bulls, bears, and total power, which is the absolute difference between bulls and bears. This creates continuous lines of relative average bear and bull power over a period, removing the main disadvantage of the original bear and bull power indicators, which is the lack of a long-term perspective. You can see it's installed on the chart already. You can see how it looks, and it's quite easy to interpret and use actually. On the chart, the total power indicator displays in a separate window with three lines: the bull power line, the bear power line, and the total power line. The lines oscillate to show the relative strength of buyers versus sellers, with the bull line rising when buyers dominate and the bear line rising when sellers are in control. The indicator works similarly to other oscillator type tools, providing visual cues about market sentiment and potential reversal points. As for the settings, let's take a look at the settings we have. For the inputs, we have the look back period. You can customize that, and we have the power period as well. You can also choose your preferred colors for the lines, and you can also choose your preferred time frames. Alright, as for who is for, the total power indicator is suitable for traders who want to assess the balance between buying and selling pressure using a long-term perspective on bear and bull power dynamics. Alright, let me take out one of these. Alright, one of the most reliable entry methods is to wait for either bull or bear line to reach the value of 100 and enter a reversal trade, while crossovers of the bear and bull lines can signal trade entries with long positions when bull is above and short positions when bear is above. The crossover of the bull or bear line with the total line can be used for conservative exits from trades, and the indicator is best combined with other technical tools for complete analysis. You can download the total power indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. This overview from the Forex Geek highlights how combining bear and bull power into continuous relative strength lines can provide a more complete view of market sentiment over time. If you like oscillators that measure buyer versus seller strength, subscribe to the Forex Geek and turn on notifications for more MT4 indicator tutorials.